Okay guys, this is my very first video on my new channel. Today we are going to unpack a Amazon Prime package. There's my cat. Whoop! He wants to cuddle. Boopus. Sorry bud. Not right now. Come on bud. Buddy. You can't escape the boop. Buddy, you can't escape the boop. Oh man, I did it once and he's done. Anyway. Playing with the bags. Still playing with the bags. What a goofy cat. He's still playing with the bags. Anyway, let's continue with the unpackaging. I have to boop. Hello, YouTube. Wait, what? Okay, that's weird. On this side, it's that height, but on the other side, that's weird. That's so weird. Yoink! Yoink. Guess what this is? Haha. Oh, and it does have special features. Haha. Thomas and the Magic Railroad. Ooh, he's so scared. Back on Soto. Oh. Ooh, interactive menus. That's it for this for my very first video. Oh right, unshrink wrap. Right, almost forgot about that. Poke. Poke, nope. Poke. Some tough shrink. Oh, there we go. I was about to say this is some tough shrink wrap. Most of these become brittle with age. Now it is shrink wrap. Yeah. There we go. Now we're unshrinking it. Boom! Yeah, it's got a seal on the top, of course. Cat. Dude. I just hate these seals. No, Annie, no pencil thing. Sorry.
Sorry.
Eh. 2 hours later. Oh dear. I really like doing. Oscar, was that you? You heard that in the video too, right?
The cat's name is Oscar, in case you don't know.
And there's the DVD. Oh, it's outright. Completely unscripted here.